What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, if you're new here, welcome. And for my returning viewers and subscribers, guys, thanks for always being here with me. Now guys, we're on our way to 500 subscribers. So guys, I'll appreciate all the love and support that you give. And also guys, just hit that subscription button, turn your post notification on so you never miss any of my upload, and always remember to leave a comment, guys, and just tell me what you think of this video. So let's kick it off. So guys, today we're gonna make a banana waffle with strawberry topping. This is an easy breakfast idea you could throw together in no time. Very quick, simple and easy. Here I have 2 bananas. I'm gonna mash them to a smooth, semi-smooth consistency. We don't want it to be too smooth. We like to have a little bit of chunks in our waffle so you would know what we're eating. To that, I'm going to add an egg. And of course, guys, the recipe is always listed in the description box, so you could go ahead and check that out. To that, I'm going to add some vegetable oil. Vanilla extract, three tablespoons of sugar, we're just going to combine this evenly. And here I have some baking powder, salt, and baking soda. And to that, I'm going to add a cup and a half of all-purpose flour. You could make this a big batch or a small batch. You could just revisit the recipe and make it however to the amount that you want to have. To this, I'm going to add almond milk. But guys, if you're not lactose, you could go ahead and use regular milk. And there you have it, guys. This is the consistency you want to have. Not too thick and not too runny. You want to have good consistency because we're making waffle here. We don't want it to running all over the waffle iron and making a mess. We're just going to set this aside for a couple of minutes and allow it to thicken up. So in the meantime, we're going to work on the strawberry topping. Now guys, you could use fresh or frozen strawberry for this. Here I'm using frozen. Yeah, I add these in my freezer, guys. And if you have your strawberries in your fridge and you think they're gonna go bad, just freeze them. To this, I'm gonna add some honey. Now you could use sugar, or if you're not into honey, you could use agave or any other syrup that you have. And here I have a lemon. I'm just going to do a trick that I saw on TikTok. Guys, trust me, it works every time. So we're just gonna allow this to simmer down and thicken up and get like a jam like consistently, but we're not making jam, we just want it to be nice and syrupy. So we're gonna allow this to cook down for about 10 minutes. This is the consistency we want to have, guys. So the jam is ready, or not jam, the syrup rather, because we're not making jam. Yeah. Now onto our waffle. Make sure you preheat your waffle iron and use something to get a decent size scoop and place it on your waffle iron. And guys, if you want the link to this waffle iron, I'll link it in the description box. It's very easy to use, and once you close it and it stops steaming and the light changes to green, your waffle is ready. So you don't need no rocket science with this one. It's very easy to use. Now we're going to pour on our strawberry topping, and let me tell you guys, this tastes amazing. Quick, simple, easy waffle from scratch. Didn't take you no time at all. Or you could do this for a weeknight, or you could do chicken and waffle. Just scrap the topping with the jam and just do some fried chicken. There you have it. The waffle recipe is versatile. You could skip the bananas and just go plain. Lot of option with this waffle. So guys, that's it for this video. I do hope you enjoyed, and remember to subscribe to my channel, like, leave a comment telling me what you want to see me do next. Until then, stay blessed and see you in another one.